Hello, welcome back to the class. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the CONCAT function. CONCAT is the newer version of concatenate. So the CONCAT function is a text function, and it is used to join or concatenate multiple text values from different cells or string into one continuous text string. So it is an improved version of the concatenate function, which is now deprecated. So the concat function will take series of text, and the key features here is that it joins multiple text values into one, can concatenate cell ranges, unlike concatenate, which cannot take cell ranges. Then it does not add spaces automatically, so you have to use the inverted comma with empty space if you need to put spaces. Then it's faster and more efficient than the concatenate function. It's useful for joining text with delimiters like comma or space, and then of course you may want to use the text join function when you have some extensive tags. CONCAT is a powerful function for merging text values in Excel. So let's look at the Excel worksheet to see an example. So we have set of values text here, first name, surname. We want to join these two texts into one. Okay, and then we have this set of numbers, product code and batch. We want to join them into one to form product ID. Maybe that is the policy of the company. So let's start with this equals concat. So you pick your first text, put a comma, and then you put the second text. Then you close the brackets, and then you will notice that the text does not have space. So even if you drop it down, there's no space in between. So to put space, you should put open quote, space, open quote, and a comma. So with this now, you have joined B2 to a space and joined with C2. So that will now give you the proper form, and then you can copy down for all others. Okay, so now the same applies to this. You want to join this, you put equal sign, concat, then you pick the first text, you put a comma. In this case, we want to join it with a dash. So we'll put that dash into an inverted comma, and then we join it with the next text, close the bracket, and so we have product ID. So you can see that the concatenate is very useful, and you can join text from various places. You can join, join and join, So it's not that it is only two texts. You can join multiple, depends on what you're trying to achieve. Okay, depends on what you're trying to achieve. So you can see that we're able to join three texts. So you can join multiple texts from several places. Okay, so you can pick this range and then comma this range, and then see what you are going to get. So it can even join range of text together to form a single string. So it depends on what you are trying to achieve. So this is the concat function used to join text together. So see you in another session when we'll be looking at another function. Bye for now.